Birbal helped Akbar in almost all the matters. He also helped Akbar to change his opinion on certain matters. Once there lived a man named Suraj. He was thought to be unlucky by all. Everybody thought that they would have a bad day if they saw Suraj's face in the morning. Akbar heard about Suraj and thought why people were unnecessarily being unkind to him. He decided to find out the truth. So, he summoned Suraj to judge for himself. Suraj arrived the next morning. Akbar received him warmly. Just then, a servant rushed in saying,
"Your Majesty, the Queen has fallen ill."
When Akbar reached the Queen's chamber, he found her very ill. The royal physician arrived and prescribed some medicines. The king sat beside the queen till late afternoon. Then Akbar left for the court to continue his talk with Suraj. On the way, one of the servants stopped him.
"Your Majesty, your lunch is ready. If you delay further, the food will get spoilt."
Akbar went to have lunch, but found the food tasteless and cold. He got very angry with the servants and stormed out of the dining hall without taking his meal. The king was hungry, but he decided to finish his talk with Suraj. While a fresh meal was being prepared, as he saw Suraj, he thought,
"Suraj is surely unlucky. First the queen was taken ill, and now my lunch is ruined. This man is really dangerous for everybody. I should put him in prison so that no one can see his face to invite troubles."
He ordered the guards to put Suraj in prison. It was Suraj's good luck that he came across Birbal while being taken to the prison. Suraj pleaded with him,
"O kind Birbal, please save me. The king says that my face has brought him bad luck. So he is sending me to prison."
Birbal felt sorry for him. He took him aside and whispered something into his ears. Meanwhile, Akbar had eaten the fresh meal, which had been prepared for him. He was once again in a good mood. But he was enraged when the guards brought Suraj back to him.
"How dare you bring this man to me? He should be in prison."
Akbar shouted.
"My lord, he insisted on meeting you before being put into prison."
A guard replied. By now, Suraj was on his knees begging for mercy.
"You are putting me in prison because you think my face brought you bad luck. What should I do? Your face has brought bad luck to me. as a result of which I am going to prison.
Akbar laughed and said,
You are right. I shall spare you. I can guess who taught you that.
Suraj was set free. When Akbar met Birbal, he remarked,
Birbal, thank you for checking me when I was wrong.
Birbal simply smiled.